first I want to say thank you. I wanted to, appreciate your guidance, your support, the portal, entire thing. It just helped me to score what I wanted to. Your tips and techniques, everything worked as I expected. It was a great help to me. Frankly speaking, I wasn't confident that I would be able to score even 70 plus. I was like, okay, for the first attempt, I will be maybe making 65 plus, and then maybe in the second or third attempt it would be around 79 plus. I was shocked, I was surprised, I was happy. I wanted to first thank you. Just got the result and then immediately I sent to your number. I wanted to thank you for the guidance. It was of extreme help to me. Of course, there are like n number of YouTube videos and everything. I told to my husband why to pay, and because everything is there already. He said, no, no, no. I heard about Sandeep. You should go there, see, go to the demo class, learn from them. I think that's how we learn. That's how when I study, my teacher was like that. That's the same way. There's no difference. That's the same way. Okay, I can remember when you say type something in the, I can remember from that. So I'm so happy, Sandeep. I'm extremely thankful, grateful to you for your teaching and techniques. Everything worked. To my surprise, I got 2 essays. I wasn't confident if I use the same template, will I score? Okay, anyways, I don't have a choice. I have to go with that. And I wrote the same template for both. And I feel I've got some of the questions from the portal itself. I'm so happy. Thank you, Sandeep, again.